Hi guys, welcome back to our next unboxing video. We had an unboxing video for yesterday, but we accidentally deleted it, so I ended up just showing you the fish once they're in the aquarium. So hopefully we can get this one and we won't delete it this time. So we've got something really rare in here, which is a new Danio called a Fireline Danios. Not often seen in the hobby, but let's see what we get out first. These ones are, I believe these are the Glow Light Danios. Can't really see much colour as usual, as you would expect. Yeah, we'll get them in a tank and then we'll do some alpha footage once they've got their colours. They were the Glow Light Danios. I guess these ones must be the Firelight Danios, though they kind of look like Tetras. Okay, we'll get them in tank and see what they look like. And finally, this is obviously a very common fish. It's the little albino rainbow shark. I just really wanted one to go in our cyprinid tank along with our others. So, yep, he looks really healthy. Okay, let's get them acclimated into the aquariums and then show you some after footage. Okay, so we set up a little aquarium in our garden just to do some videoing to show you guys what we've got and how nice they look when they settled in. So we've given them a few hours, but as usual it wouldn't be one of our videos unless something went wrong. In the first bag was supposed to be 10 Fireline Danios, except what we got was 8 Fireline Danios and 2 Glow Light Danios in this bag. I mean, to be honest, the Firelight Danios looked a lot nicer in the picture. They kind of reminiscent of sticklebacks, male sticklebacks. They're quite prevalent in the UK. They're different. They're nice, but I probably need to give them more time to colour up, to be fair. The Fireline Danios are a relatively new species in the hobby, since around 2007, I believe. They're pretty much identical in terms of hardness as other Danios, and in theory should be just as easy to breed, so we're going to take a stab at that. Then on to the next bag, which didn't go according to the plan. We ordered 10 Glow Light Danios. What we received, though, were 10 Glow Light Tetras. So they got our order completely wrong. Now we've left them in the bag for now. We've contacted them. They said, "Oh, send us a picture of them in the bags and we'll see what went wrong." Haven't heard anything back from them yet. We are hoping they'll sort it out, because I mean, Glow Light Tetras are around £1.25 here, whereas the Glow Light Rasboras are around £4.99. And in all honesty, we don't want Glow Light Tetras. I've had them before. They're a nice fish. We just didn't want them, basically. The little albino rainbow shark is perfectly fine. We're about to sort him out into an aquarium. But yeah, so disaster strikes again for us. Overall happy with the 2 Glow Light Rasboras that we've received, and the Fireline Rasboras, the 8. It was still missing 2, but with the 8 we received, we're really liking them. So yeah, that's this fish unboxing. As usual, something's always got to go wrong. Okay, hope you like the video, guys. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.